Okay, we have our figure here. We've finished our head. So this is all done. So now we want to put the body together. And we have our feet, which we're going to put feet on him. And we have our hands. So we don't need these hooks anymore. I use these hooks just to hang them up to let them dry. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Okay. I'm going to start with these feet. And you see we have a hook down here in the bottom. And we have a hook here with a rubber band, and what you do is you take this rubber band and put it on that hook in the body, and that helps hold it on for you. Start with this one. Get this one where it goes. We just staple it on. Tap those down. And we'll just fold this one over here. So there's our foot. So there's our feet. We'll do our hands. And you can see how I make the bodies. I've got different videos on there. You can look up how to make a body or punch in body in the search on my YouTube page, and you'll see how I make the bodies. Just fold this over. There's that one. that takes care of the hands are attached to the body. Last thing we have is we have our outfit we've made for him. And this is handmade. It kind of color codes with his hair. This is the top. Like I say, this is all handmade. And then it's cut out in the back for easy access to get your hand into. So we will get him dressed, take some pictures, and he will be done. Thanks for watching.